How to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you transfer money from Chime to Cash App account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Chime with your account. Alright, so after you open the Chime account, you'll get such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on the pay option just at the bottom of the screen. Alright, so after you tap on the pay option, you'll get such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on this pay option just at the right hand section of your screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this interface you can know that pay anyone. Literally you'll have to set the amount where you want to send. So simply from here, let us suppose $5, and after you select it, you'll have to just tap on the pay. Alright, so from this interface you'll have to search that person or individual whom you want to send money, or you can also send that money on your Cash App account. So for that you'll have to just search it by your contact number or email address. So simply you have to search that, and after you search that you'll have to just tap on the grant option by selecting that individual. Alright, so as you can know from like when you send them a text or email with that secure Chime link, they can cash out with using their debit card throughout the Chime secure checkout. So money will arrive instantly, and it is free, means there is no need to sign up with Chime. So this is the process to send the money from Chime account to Cash App account. So from here you'll have to just tap on this pay $5 option. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to send the money from your Chime account to Cash App account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.